Okay, so today's story starts with us trying to put tires on the station wagon. And I'd taken the old tires off of these rims that seemed to work fine. They got me to South Carolina and back. And then one of them developed a leak. And so naturally I thought it was the rubber, so got new tires. And come to find out, it was not the rubber at all. Okay, let's see if we can find these leaks. Great. Sick. The tire has come back off because I guess this silicone is leaking somewhere, allowing air to escape out of the bolt holes. And we're gonna razor blade this, try and get it all out so that we can do the whole process again. Yeah, buddy. So I got most of this out with just good old pocket razor blade, but there is still kind of a little bit of remnants. I don't know where any of my wire brushes have gone, but I'm gonna use some really aggressive sandpaper and just see if I can, kind of scrub it out. We got it pretty good. So now we're just gonna get the silicone sealant in here. It's real special, high-tech stuff, had to order it. I'll show you what to buy for this job. The stuff you're gonna wanna buy, remember it's super high-tech stuff. You wanna get this right here, GE silicone. Yeah, anyway, that's what we're gonna use. I'm gonna stuff in there, and it should be good. Got a good bead going all the way around. What I'm gonna do is take a gloved hand and just push down on that stuff and try and get it to go into that seam. And that's sort of what it looks like after stage 2, sort of pushing on and smearing it around. I don't think I'm going to, I might touch that up a little bit, but I don't think I'm going to run another bead. I lied, I went over the whole thing again. You're so funny looking when you're filming, I don't know why. Putting the tires on the rims, you want to make sure you got it nice and lubed up. It really helps the process. Take out all your childhood trauma on the wheel.
Yay! Yeah. Who needs therapy?
Probably me. After fighting this wheel. Get the hell on there. I took you off less than 24 hours ago.
So what is in that solution, Steven?
Oh, this is Steve's tire grease. Gets tires on aluminum right now. Dawn dish soap and water.
I thought you were coming out with a new tire lube
I mean,
line.
this is a hidden formula passed down through generations of white trash and hicks and rednecks that do this.
It's a beautiful
to
legacy.
Save like $8. I'm trying to remember how I did this so easy before. I remember that it wasn't easy before. It sucked this bad each time that I've done this. There we go.
Success?
Super easy. Been out here for how many minutes?
7. Dripping in sweat.
That's what the people want to see. I get the people what they want, Leah. Don't you know that?
I do.
It's also like when you come to find out you put the tire on backwards.
What are we doing now?
Alright, so you know what a valve stem is? Yeah?
Yeah.
So there's a valve stem core, or the actual valve, that you take out with this fancy tool. You do that to get all the air out of the tire so you can take the tire off, all that stuff. I'm putting it back in because we're going to make a little tiny explosion in the tire. So, how this should work, spray the very clean flammable fluid in here, kind of agitate it, let it turn into a gas, you light it, it goes flop, tire seats, looks like it's fully inflated, and you stab air into it to make sure it stays inflated. Now I did this once, and it worked just like that, first try. The other tire took me like 6 or 7 tries, and the aforementioned, catching on fire.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Ah, dude, they can make a career out of it.
Yeah.
Please. Awesome. It's just that easy. Time to check for leaks. Sick. Leah, I tell you what, we did something and something happened. I'll be.
Never would have thought.
Never would have thought.
The next day.
Okay, you got coffee. Let's see if the tire still has air. Looks like it.